Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this particular video, I'm going to discuss different strategies that can be used in trading Bitcoin, and this strategy is very effective in trading Bitcoin. So that strategy is 15 minute 200 EMA and 4 hour 200 EMA. So what you should do is you should enable 4 hour 200 EMA line and 15 minute 200 EMA line. Okay, so this orange line is called as 4 hour 200 EMA and the blue line is 15 minute 200 EMA. The strategy is very simple. Whenever price goes above 4 hour 200 EMA, then the price is said to be bullish. Whenever the price is trading below 200 EMA, 4 hour 200 EMA, then you can say the market is bearish. For simplicity, I have used 2 hour time frame. You can use any time frame, but you should always use these two lines. The blue line is for making swing trading and the orange line is for trend confirmation. Once you see price trading above the orange line, that means we are in a bullish trend. What do you mean by bullish trend? Bullish trend is something when price makes higher highs and higher lows. Higher highs and higher lows. What is bearish trend? Bearish trend is when the price is trading below the 4 hour 200 EMA line and price starts making lower highs and lower lows and lower highs and lower lows. So what is the use of blue line? This blue line is a strong 15 minute 200 EMA line. This line also acts as dynamic support. So you can take long position or short position based on whether the price is going above this particular line. For example, if you are in a short trend, I mean bear trend, and if you are a swing trader or a scalper, you can take long position as soon as you see price is trading above this blue line. How nicely price went up, again it found a dynamic support near blue line. In the same way, when the price is above this 4 hour 200 EMA line and the price is trending above this 15 minute 200 EMA line, that means the trend strength is very high. So once you see the trend strength is high and this 200 this 15 minute 200 line will act as a dynamic support, so you can always go for a long position, right? So the the trading is very simple. It is long or short. So when long, when short. Price trading below 4 hour 200 EMA short. Price trading above 4 hour 200 EMA long. And that's it. It's very simple, but it's very effective. Along with the strategy one, we can also find chart patterns in crypto. So there are basically very few chart patterns that are always occurring in crypto. So you can find them and you can do what I suggest to do. So pattern number one, falling wedge. Falling wedge pattern will look like this. So once you draw a trend line, you'll find the pattern looking like this. So the price always pumps up. So this is a bullish pattern. And another pattern is called as rising wedge. So it will look like something like this. So this pattern if you find, then it is a bearish pattern. Price will come down. You'll also find a triangle formation where you can see price will be in a triangle like this. So this will be like a indecision mode. Price may go up, price may go down. Okay. So there's one more very good pattern that is called as double bottom pattern. So in the double bottom pattern, you can see price forming a W pattern. So always you should buy here, and this is a bullish pattern. There's one more pattern called as double top. So double top will look something like this M. So this is called as a bearish pattern. You will always take entry here and short the position. There you can also find a pattern called as triple top and triple bottom. Both works in the same way as double top and double bottom. Okay, so you can apply the strategy number one along with these patterns. You will never be at loss. Okay, you will always start winning every trade, and your accuracy will be significantly higher. Come, let us see how we can apply this pattern and improve our accuracy. Come, let us apply these patterns onto this chart. You can see this is forming a higher high like this. So what you should do, you should start, joining this using trend lines. So you have, once you are forming this bottoms are forming at a higher high, you joined all these lines. Okay, all these bottoms. So you found a pattern, something it will look like this. Remember guys, this pattern if you find, it is always a bullish pattern. So look what happened to the price. It went up, again it came down, again it went up. So this action is called as retest. So some traders, whenever the price breaks out of this particular pattern, they enter. That used to be the old strategy, but nowadays what is happening is always you can see a retest. So what I mean to say is, price will start showing this kind of action. It breaks out, but again it will come down. It will retest this particular support. Again it will go up. So which is the best entry? Always enter at the retest region. Always enter at the retest region. It's a trend confirmation that, boss, this is a bullish trend. Okay. Now let us find another patterns that is here. Okay. You can see I told you something called as W pattern. But where is the W here? Look, there's a W here. This is hiding here. W. This is a W pattern. I always told W pattern is a very good pattern. That's called as double bottom pattern, and double bottom pattern is always bullish. For double bottom pattern, you always enter in this particular region. Okay. Here you can see one more double bottom pattern, a W pattern. So one thing you notice, you identify the pattern and you also make sure the trend is above 4-hour 200 EMA line. If you want to increase your accuracy and if you want to be safe for trading, always trade how is the market going, like where's the market going. So to find out that, you should find the trend. Whenever you find prices above 4-hour 200 EMA, that means market is in bullish momentum. If you start finding patterns like this here, it will always increase your accuracy and you can take very good entries every time. Here we can see a falling wedge pattern forming. As I told you, the falling wedge pattern, it is always a bullish pattern. Plus this is trading above 4-hour 200 EMA line. Plus this 4-hour 200 EMA line is a very strong support line. In addition to that, we can also see a W pattern occurring. So this is a ultra bullish market. So the moment you find this, you should start taking entries at the support. Always take entry at the support. Okay, remember one thing, always take entry at the support region. Never enter here, never enter here. Okay, if you enter here and stocks comes down, you'll start crying that, but the trend was bullish, I bought it, but price came down. So always enter at the support. Remember one thing guys, always enter at the support. So if you are longing, always enter at the support. If you are shorting, always enter at the resistance region. So we can find a falling wedge pattern. Guys, this falling wedge pattern, you will find it in most of the crypto. Most of the altcoins, you will find falling wedge pattern because all altcoins are down from all-time high. And they always make falling wedge pattern. You will always find falling wedge pattern in the altcoin. Once you notice falling wedge pattern in the altcoin, that means the price of that altcoin is gonna boom. And also guys, crypto market is full of volatility. Price may see 30% up, 20% down, 50% down, and 20% up. All these kind of crazy corrections and crazy movements that's going to happen. This is because of big whales. Who are these whales? The whales are the one who have 1000 BTC plus. So these are the big institutions and big people who have bought Bitcoin at all time low. So once they start buying and once they start dumping, we can see significant the price gets affected significantly because of their activity. As you can see, you there's a high rise of price, sudden rise of price in a single day, and a sudden drop of a price in a single day. All these are called as big whales activity. So we don't know where these big whales start buying. See guys, always whenever an institution or big whale buy, they always buy in a bulk, and they always buy at a every dip. They'll start accumulating at every dip, and you will not notice how the price is going up, but on a long term they have some target, and they will make sure that price reaches that target. If it is going down, they have one target price in their mind where to accumulate, and they will start accumulating from there. And guys, if you are not confident about taking trades and you don't know how to take trades in this particular volatility market, I have a something tool, a very nice algorithm and a tool for you guys, which will make your trades very easy. So what you can do is you can get this tool from the description down below, and how to access this tool, all the instruction will be given. Now I will enable this tool and I will apply onto my chart. Let me see how it makes difference to my trade. As I told you guys, there are institutions, there are big buyers and whales, they will start affecting the price. Look what happened here. The institutional investors came here. If you are not using this particular algorithm, you never know they were buying here. But now we know that these guys are buying here. Look what happened to the price after that. It rallied. The institution also bought here. Look what happened to the price after that. It rallied. This particular algorithm will always give you right signals, right buy and sell signals. For example, if you see these black arrows pointing up and down are long and short signal. So it is always better if we buy near the support regions. There are two different trend lines. One is the mid-term trend line, another one is the long-term trend line. Whenever you see price trading above the long-term trend line, then it's a bullish market. As I said, for a 4-hour 200 EMA, whenever price is trading below this long-term trend line, which I call it as mother trend, then the price is in the bearish market. Okay, so how to take entry in this is, if you find a buy triangle or a long triangle nearby the support region, then you should always go for a long position. We should enter a long position here. We should always enter long position near the support. We should never short it here. We should always long it here. Look at this guys. Institution also bought it here, and we saw sudden rise in the BTC. Now BTC is trading at 9689. Hope to see you in the next video.